Hi everyone, welcome to PR Software Training Institute. We are the #1 training institute for the program. In the last lecture, I explained you about why we should go for the C language, and also I gave you clarity on the some fundamental questions like why programming is important, why we need the software, what is the difference between program and software, what is the difference between the web application and desktop application. Some basic questions I answered in the last program. Now today I am going to start with actual C language classes. In the first lecture we are going to discuss about what is the history of C language. So as you know that history is history, we cannot change that things. First and very important thing which you need to remember, who invented the C language. So C is invented by Mr. Dennis M. Ritchie. When it has invented, so it has invented in Bell Labs. Why C is invented? C is invented to design the Unix operating system. So many people are having a doubt that, sir, why C is important in the market. So first, when the C was invented, that was specifically for Unix operating system. Nowadays, if you go to the market and if you look at that, all the operating system, somewhere some code is written in the C language. Suppose if you do Google it, operating system design in which language? You type suppose Linux, Solaris, Mac, there are so many operating systems. If you type the name, there will be another languages, but specifically you will get C language name. Some part is written in the C language. That's why C is very powerful language. Then when it is invented, so C is invented in the year of 1972. So these are the few basic points which you need to remember of C language. Now we are going to understand the flow of the program. Sir, why this programming is required in the market, that we are going to understand. The first and very important thing is, suppose example, I am the person, human being you are having here, who is writing some, I want to pass some message to my computer. Suppose imagine, this is my computer. I will just remove this and I will just try to explain it some different way. Suppose this is the person who want to directly communicate with the computer. Imagine in this way, this is my computer and here this person want to send some information to the computer. So as a human being, we will write these instructions in the language of English. Mostly we pass any information to the system is what language? English language. But the problem here is what? Whatever we are sending the information, that language or that information directly cannot understand by the system. System cannot recognize your language. System can understand which language? System will understand machine language, or also known as binary language. Which language system will understand? Binary language. System will understand which language? Binary language. Now, because human being cannot write entire code in the binary language, it is very difficult, and system cannot understand your language. Then what is the solution? The solution is, we need person in between to talk with both of them, and that person is nothing but we call it program. So whatever the information you are passing, it will convert in the form of instruction. I told you, program is nothing but instruction. It will read that all the instruction, it will convert into the system understandable format. So to write the program, we use generally languages C, Java, Python, and so many languages are available in the market. So to convert your code, you have whatever the message is there, you are converting in the form of instruction, nothing but program with these languages. Now the very important thing, to this program, if you want to convert into the system format, then one more step is coming in between, that is nothing but a compilation phase. What is the use of compilation? Compilation is nothing but whatever your information is there, you are converting into the machine language. Sir, how it converts? So very simple. If you don't know, no worries, I will cover in the syllabus. Suppose imagine that I want to pass 5 and 10. These two numbers, if I want to pass to the system. So compilation stage is nothing but what? This 5, it will convert into the 1010 format. Nothing but 5 is 101. 10 is nothing but what? 1010. So whatever your numbers are there, it is converting into which language? Binary language, or we can say machine language. So to convert this your program into the machine understandable language, we need which phase? Compilation phase. So this compilation phase is very important in every programming language. So this is nothing but your complete flow. First, you are writing your whatever information in the form of program. Program is nothing but what? You are writing some instruction. That instruction, it is converting into, you want to convert into machine language, what we need? The compilation phase. So this is nothing but the requirement of programming. So why program is required? So this is the purpose, because if you write our code, then it will convert into compilation, it will convert into machine language, and then it is available in the, it is available for system to understand. I hope it is very clear. Okay. Next, here we will understand about okay. Now we will understand, sir, first program of C language. How to write a C program. Now, today we are starting with how to write a C program. Before going further, I would like to tell you that my teaching style is totally different. Generally, everybody, they start with a theoretically concept, and then they will go with practical. But in my teaching, first I will explain you practical, and then I will explain you theory, so that you can understand very easily. Okay. Whenever we write the program, we are having some section. The first section is called header file section. Then we will have main section. Sir, what is this main section? This main section is nothing but from where the program will start. In between, you can write so many lines. That is nothing but we call it statement. This is nothing but we call it statement. And if you are having extra functions, then that functions you can write in the bottom. This is nothing but a C program structure. So always remember, first you are having header file section, then your program will start with a main, then in between you will write multiple lines of code, and then you will write multiple functions. So this is nothing but how we write the C program. So this is the also known as what? Structure of C program. Clear with this one? Thank you.